going? It's me, Grace, and today we are going to answer yung frequently asked questions kapag gumagamit ng SkinMate Shark Oil. And everyday kasi, halos from comments to messages, lagi ako nakakatanggap ng questions regarding sa paggamit ng SkinMate Shark Oil, since ito yung parang main product na ginamit ko sa mukha ko to natanggal yung aking active pimples as well as pimple marks. So, before I start answering yung frequently asked questions, I would like to say that I am not in any way associated with SkinMate, nor this video was sponsored or yung parang preview sa video ko na napapanood nyo. I-recommend ko talaga siyang gamitin sa aking mga viewers. So, are you guys ready? Okay, let's start answering your questions. The first question na sasagutin natin is, pwede raw bang gamitin yung SkinMate Shark Oil with other products? Well, yes, if you have watch the whole video, ginamit ko yung SkinMate Shark Oil with different products, kahit hindi yung mismong parang whole SkinMate Shark Oil line, yung placenta cream, yung toner, hindi ko ginamit yun, guys. Yung oil lang talagang ginamit ko. And yes, pwede siyang gamitin sa kahit anong products na gusto nyong gamitin. But always take note na i-avoid nyo yung mga products na may alcohol content, kasi yung SkinMate, nakaka-promote siya ng peeling. Hindi lang siya yung micro-peeling. Kapag ginamit mo siya talaga ng continuously, magpipili yung mukha mo. Medyo masakit kapag gumamit ka ng product na may alcohol content. So, avoid using products with alcohol content. As much as possible, yung mga alcohol-free, fragrance-free, non-comedogenic products, yun yung gamitin nyo. Alright, so second question is, ano raw ang do's and don'ts kapag gumagamit ng SkinMate Shark Oil? Again, nasabi ko na to sa video ko, pero ulitin ko for you guys. So, first thing is, avoid direct sunlight. Treat nyo sila as open wounds. So, kapag naarawan siya, mahapde. And I don't recommend you guys to use makeup. If ever girls na nag-makeup kayo and gumagamit kayo ng SkinMate, since magpipil nga yung mukha nyo, and kapag naglagay kayo ng foundation, tapos sinet nyo ng powder, ayun, pangit tignan. So, if you are using makeup on a regular basis, and you work sa ilalim ng araw, I don't suggest you guys to use SkinMate Shark Oil. Peel yung face mo, ang pangit tignan pag lumabas ka. If ayaw mo ng ganang feeling na titignan ka ng mga tao, dahil babalat yung mukha mo, I don't suggest you guys to use SkinMate. Third question na madalas tanungin sa akin is that, pwede na raw bang gamitin ng teens ang SkinMate Shark Oil? Pwede na raw ba nilang gamitin? Kasi 15 na daw sila, 16, 17. And guys, I don't recommend you guys to use it kasi parang medyo bata pa yung skin nyo, and parang magiging harsh yung effect niya sa mukha nyo. I suggest na gumamit na lang kayo ng pang-teens na formulation na product. For example, yung Clean and Clear na orange. If ever kaya nyong wag na magpuyat, wag na kayo magpuyat, and avoid salty food, yung oily foods. Kung alam nyo talaga naman napaka-prone nyo sa pimples, prevention is better than cure, guys. Pinaka palaging tinatanong sa akin is, ano na raw ba ang aking current condition and updated skincare routine? Ang dami nagtatanong sa akin yun, guys, since marami na nga nakapansin na medyo nag-improve na yung skin ko. So, ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung aking before and after photo. Ganyan lang yan. Pero kung makikita nyo ako sa personal is, meron pa rin ako ng mga pimple craters o yung mga butas-butas dahil nga sa mga pimple na pop and all of that. So, hindi pa rin talaga masasabi na makinis na yung mukha ko. Pero definitely, nag-improve na siya. So, I'm really happy. And for the updated skincare routine, tinatanong din sa akin to, ngayon guys, hindi na ako gumagamit ng SkinMate Shark Oil since as you have seen in yung aking previous photo, hindi naman ako nagkakaroon ng pimples. Wala na akong masyadong active pimples and pimple marks. So, I stopped using SkinMate Shark Oil already. And for the updated skincare routine, guys, naka-line up na yan. Medyo hindi ko pa nagagawa, pero definitely gagawin ko yan for you guys. Since ni-request nyo yun, for this video, I hope na na-answer ko na yung mga questions nyo. And I do hope na mahanap nyo na rin yung product na makakaalis ng inyong pimples. Some, hindi sila hiyaw sa SkinMates. Yung iba, natutuwa sa naging improvement, effective sa kanila. Ang masasabi ko lang guys is it's always trial and error. If hindi gumana sa'yo itong product na to, try ka ulit ng bago. Bago ko na tanggal yung aking mga active pimple and pimple marks, talaga namang ilang produkto na yung ginamit ko bago talaga nag-clear yung skin ko. So, ayun lang. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. And if you do enjoyed watching this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well. I will see you in my next video. Bye!